Dear students, I'm committed to giving you my very best. To make your progress smoother, I have added a practical companion to this course, a personal gift from me, the book AI for Business. You'll find it in the course resources. It's a short, focused guide that shows how to translate AI ideas into action inside real teams, products, and decisions. Use it as a field manual while you move through the lessons. Mark it up, try the checklists, and bring the questions back to class. Our mission is simple and ambitious: to help millions of people adapt to the AI revolution with clarity and confidence. Every lecture, worksheet, and example in this course is built with that mission in mind. But the truth is, the best improvements don't happen in my head. They happen because of your voice. So when you finish this section, please take a minute to leave an honest review on the course page. Share one thing that helped you, one thing that could be clearer, and one takeaway you plan to apply this week. 2 or 3 specific sentences are perfect. Your perspective guides the next updates, inspires new case studies, and helps other learners decide if this path fits their goals. Thank you for being here and for pushing your skills forward. Enjoy your copy of AI for Business, keep experimenting, and let me know what you're building. I'm excited to see your ideas take shape in the real world.